you're actually making composition for an exhibition. How does this work?
Well, every piece I do with Rebecca is different, yeah. And I make the composition new. And this piece here, Will of the Wisp, was made for Slovenia, right? And so I chose to use some of my experiences here in Slovenia, which were in the Pleteri monastery. And I stayed there a couple of times, and I was lucky enough to sing with the monks there in Pleteri, and also do some overtone singing, which is what I'd like to do. And so this composition is like a memory from that time. I used some of the melodies I learned from the monks, and I integrated them a little bit with my voice and saxophone. And that's how the music in this piece came together as a kind of memory from Slovenia from 12 years ago when I was in this monastery.
That's amazing. Yeah, because I know also, maybe you know Live group, one of them were also hiding there in the 80s.
I didn't know that, no.
They had to hide because of the regime.
Right.
So it's an interesting connection.
Yeah. I mean,
all the musicians going hide somehow.
Yeah. It's true, yeah. It's a great place to hide. It's a wonderful building, and the monks are fantastic people also, to have a dialogue with them. They were great. Very, very intelligent men and great singers. They sing all the time. So 3 times a day we were singing, and I was lucky enough to sing with the monks. So a lot of those melodies stayed inside my head, especially one of them, which is in this piece.
As you may know, women are not allowed to go there, so I wouldn't know.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
But I suppose there's a different making composition for a movie, for let's say for a concert, and for this kind of installation. Do you know how? Do you need a kind of a powerful impression to start working like this or this?
Yeah.
That you had this experience in Leta?
Yeah, there has to be some strong spark, I think. In this case, it's my memory of Slovenia. It's also the poem of Rebecca and the visual component of this piece, which you can interpret on many different levels. All of those things come together and once inspire me to create some music, which you have to do, I think, with installations like this in a very sensitive way. The music cannot be too overpowering. It has to be somehow, it has to enter into a subtle dialogue with the artworks without overpowering it. For this reason, I use very simple methods like my voice, my saxophone. That's about it. It's very, very simple. It's a simple dialogue between 2 voices. I think it's best experienced when there's just a few people in here. It's quite a meditative piece, so you can spend a bit of time. The composition's about 20 minutes long, I think, and so the sparks of inspiration with the poetry. The memory of Slovenia, the poem of Rebecca, the memory of Slovenia from the monastery, and the passage of the souls, which is kind of like this piece. Those are the things that inspired me.
Really poetic.
Yeah. Well.
Sorry. When you also explain it, it's not technical at all. And also, you have to see the work before, and then you start composing. It's the same with the movie.
Yeah, I have a good intuition of working with Rebecca. Kind of a little bit telepathic communication in the creative process, because I've known her for a long time, so I know how she's thinking, what direction she's working in. So even though I didn't see the finished product before I made the piece, I knew what it was going to be like, and could imagine also how it works in this space, in this room. I saw photos of this room, so I try to make the composition for this kind of room, this wooden floor, so it is dialogue, but it's always a work in progress. So I made small changes while I'm here, and that's how we work. That's how we roll.
Do they also work with other artists for the exhibition?
Not so much. Otherwise I play concerts, I teach, I do other things. But in the art world, this is pretty much my gig, so to speak. I work pretty much just with Rebecca, but that's more than enough. It keeps me quite busy.
I can understand.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.